And it was a sleepless night for many in that area after that tornado touched down, damaging almost everything in its path. Dorothea Wilson spoke with people early this morning in Hot Springs to get their reactions in the immediate aftermath.
It's a somber day for people in Hot Springs, especially those who live on Long Island Drive.
I raised the blind on the window above our bed, and I believe I was kneeling on the bed above the headboard and raised up and looked out the blind. When I did, I could actually view the tornado coming across the bridge.
Many shedding tears as they rummage through the devastation of the tornado, trying to salvage what's left behind. Richard Grinnis is the caretaker for the Shadow Creek condominiums. He says the roaring sounds of thunder woke him out of his sleep.
We heard all heck break loose, and next thing you know, it's over. We waited for a few more minutes to make sure everything was calm.
But nothing could prepare him for the next thing he saw.
When I opened the door up, you go in our unit, the ceilings and the floor, the rafters, they're broke. They're down in the living room. Our bedroom window where we were actually laying got shattered.
For other residents, physical damage is the least of their concern.
Anytime there's weather of, a tornado, hurricane, I've been through both, and it's always a severe risk of life. Unfortunately, nothing other than some property, trees and stuff that can all be replaced. It's not like your family hurt.
Jimmy McIntyre searched for his son, who stayed on the lake Tuesday night, but was grateful to find him okay. The road to recovery will be a long one, but people in Hot Springs are showing resilience as they work to get their city cleaned up and back to normal. Reporting in Hot Springs, I'm Dorothea Wilson.